Good evening, this is Mel from IntegralBlinds. We've just finished another retrofit of some of our finest fully featured, fully dressed SWIFTGLIDE automated integral blinds, operable by remote control, as well as of course touch control on the modules. This remote control here is operating all three of them as a single control group. So what happens is that they go up, so we've told the left hand one there to stop and the other two to continue up. Alternatively, you can stop those and bring those down and tilt the other one as well in unison. What we mean by fully dressed is this. You see there, you've got an internal overlay that conceals the raised Venetian slat stack, deepens the halo shading trim left and right, so it blocks out the halo effect at the sides of the units when the blinds are down and in a closed position, and it also conceals the mechanical joints that would be visible there, as well as the headrail. The dress perimeter is of course available in a choice of over 100 colours, and you can have a different colour inside and out. You might notice on this glass there is quite a high degree of sheen, a high mirror effect. It's basically because the glass is a full function glass, Excelsior XR, self-cleaning, solar control, privacy glass with a 50% reduction in UV transmission. That's the light wavelength that would come in here and discolour the internal decor, furnishings and flooring, if the flooring was such that it could be faded by UV. The dress perimeter is of course unique to us. It's not available anywhere else and is available in a choice, as I say, of over 100 colours. The blinds in this case are solar battery powered, so we're using a remote control here that connects to the battery radio receiver module there, which is trickle charged from the outside by these very smart looking solar panels there. Now this is the highest tech solar battery system that is available in the UK. We do have a hardwired system of 24 volt that can be connected to the mains via a 24 volt transformer, and we can manage and handle all the wiring of that for you. If you're interested with what you see here and would like to explore with us the choices and options available to you for your project or for your clients' projects, if you're an installer or window company, get in touch with us. We'd love to discuss these choices and options with you, and you can contact us of course on 0800 6102 610, or alternatively email us at sales@integralblinds.com. Don't forget to check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/integral blinds, and there you are. The blinds at the moment are just going up behind the concealed slat stack at the top, where they come to rest completely out of view. Very tidy, very smart indeed. And if you've got a view like this, please notice that all you're losing left and right is about a thumb's width left and right. That's literally all you're losing. So we're going to pack up all our tools now and go off and have a bite to eat, and we'd look forward to doing the next retrofit, perhaps one for you. Get in touch with us. Bye for now.